Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode on Cooking and Loving. Today I will be making you a dish from Sicily that is very famous. I'm pretty sure you guys will know it. Anyway, let's jump straight into the video. Sigla. So today we'll be making arancini. Now it's quite, I don't know, it's not complex but not simple either. So, but the base to the arancini is saffron rice and ragù alla maiale. Maiale is pork. So this, if you want to see, if you want to look.
Okay, let me get closer. So we're making arancini.
Yes.
A very famous Sicilian dish. They call them arancine, but some part of Italy they call arancina. I don't want to go into that. So we have, first of all, saffron rice, right? So this is like the recipe we did risotto.
See with
So
saffron.
you don't need to show them how to do again, right?
No.
Because which number? Do you remember what number there is?
No, I think it's one of the beginning ones.
Beginning?
I think. But see the consistency, it's not the exact same as a risotto because we cooked this.
Risotto,
We didn't cook this. How do you say broth in English? Broth, right? Broth. Yeah, we didn't cook this in broth. We cooked it in water.
Yeah, water. And by the way, it's very cold now. It needs to be cold, otherwise it doesn't get sticky.
Yeah. This is ragù alla maiale. Maiale is pork.
Ragù maiale, pork ragu basically.
Yes. So it's similar to the bolognese, but you know, you just add maiale, and also as you can see, there is some peas in here because that's how you make.
Yes. The difference from bolognese, ragu bolognese, we don't have the beef, only pork here, but and we didn't use the milk. It's simple red wine.
Yeah.
All right, chef.
Yes.
So we prepare the base, and then we got some filling here. We got some. It should be like caciocavallo or any other cheese, but we have what? It's
Mozzarella.
just dry mozzarella. Dry mozzarella. And then we have
prosciutto and water, I guess.
well, water is for the hands to wash. Otherwise, we do it. Actually, we're gonna make it two type, Jonathan.
We're gonna make
because
one.
I'm gonna help you. This is a recipe that needs help. Because the technical time. We're gonna make one which is the classic
mozzarella
ragu peas. There are peas inside and a little bit of mozzarella and obviously the rice.
See.
The other one we are gonna make with mozzarella e prosciutto because some people like also that.
Yeah.
So let's go. Let's do. Okay, you do one. You start one. So we create two already, but we're gonna show how to do it. I'm gonna help because this is I understand takes some time, right?
See.
It's once you master the basis, it's very easy. So you take a handsful. Now this is one of those things that you gotta get your hands dirty. There is no way to do it differently. Let's do it the way our grandma and parents teach us. A little bit more. Now we need to be honest. We need to say that by the way we start cooking this, some people have been eating some rice, some people have been eating the filling already. So hopefully we have enough to make for dinner. So we do half with that and half with the prosciutto.
Okay, go for.
Yeah. What I do, I'll try to get also pieces, the piece, so you got a little bit of. Okay, so that's what you need, not too much, and then you put mozzarella. Now we use the dry because the doesn't create any water in, and then when you fry it's much easier. If you use the fresh one, make sure that you remove all the water before you do this.
Yeah.
Okay. And then we get some more rice we put on top.
This is the messy part.
And then we try to create the ball. Well, we are making a ball, but the arancini also have a different shape. I don't know what's the name of the shape they usually have, but it's like they start like a ball and then shape up.
Let's see.
But I'm not gonna spend too much time and be precise. This is good old-fashioned home cooking. Okay, put it there. Let's try to make the
Got to clean my hands.
You've done good actually, they're similar size almost.
Same, because I'm a pro chef.
You're a pro. Let's see what I make. So as I said, this is makes your hands dirty, so it is what it is.
Not bad, it's fine.
It's fun though, cooking together. By the way, it's Father's Day.
In Italy, it's Father's Day.
In Italy, it's Father's Day today.
And no, well, today's the 19th. I don't know when this is going to be published, but today's the 19th and it is Father's Day in Italy. So we're doing something, aren't we?
Yeah. Well, I'm happy that last time we did the zeppole. We didn't show, but we did the zeppole.
Zeppole. I think we did a video on zeppole, did we not?
No, we did the pasta asciutto.
Sì, spezzone we did. No.
Spezzone, bignè.
Yeah, no, I don't think we did zeppole.
Which is, you know, pretty much that. See, Jonathan, once you get it, you actually can do pretty fast. I think we're gonna go within 20 minutes. We should be ready.
So the amount we made, I think it's enough for around 12 arancini. So
yeah, if you don't want more, just make more filling and more rice.
It's also true that we ate some, so I think that took away like 1 or 2.
Like we use what is it, 400 grams of rice, and that
oh my
give
god,
us
I forgot
about.
to put mozzarella.
Oh, you forgot?
Sì.
Well, I mean, it's still good. It would just somebody doesn't want cheese.
Sì.
Actually, you know what? I'm gonna use the hands directly because I think it's easier. See, some of the parts, if you come out, just cover with some rice. So it's like a pottery almost. You try to. Okay, so we continue and then we do the next. For the prosciutto and mozzarella, it's the same things. Instead of the ragu filling, we're gonna use prosciutto and mozzarella. I think some people prefer that.
Okay, so here we have our arancini. We made 11.
It should have been 12.
It should have been 12. And actually, it was 10 and a half because look how small this one is. So actually, I'm gonna start with this one. So basically, yes, it's small.
leftover.
Yeah, so here we have our station. We have flour, eggs, breadcrumbs, no seasoning needed whatsoever. So what we're going to do is we're going to coat this in the flour.
With one hand.
Then we're going to coat this in eggs. Again with one hand only. And then dip that into breadcrumbs.
Make sure not to break it.
Yeah, of course.
I think one by one. Should take no more than 10 minutes. And then we put it on the plate. We're gonna put in the fridge this one after, so they becomes a little bit more solidified. Well, I mean,
easier to fry, basically.
Easier to fry, yeah. At the moment, they're still a little bit. That's a nice technique to make them a little bit in the fridge, a little bit. Not frozen but very cold, so when you fry them they're quite solid. And there you go, the chef is using 2 hands.
Oh, pro skills.
Pros.
Pro skills, Papa.
Pros what?
Pro skills.
Ah, pro skills. Well, that's what I said, pros. Like the pro. Hey, don't make fun of your dad, today's Father's Day.
See.
Okay, I'll let you continue. I'll see you when everything is ready, okay?
Ciao.
Ciao.
So, I have finished coating all of my arancini. As you can see here, 11 perfect. Well, not really, I mean, they're a bit deformed, but it's okay. It's homemade, so...
It's homemade, but... This is nice.
This one's nice. This one's nice.
Perfect. This is very small. This is the perfect ball. A little bit more coating, but this is, I don't know what happened there.
It's a bit messy. It was the last one, so like.
The last one you were bored, weren't you? Okay, in the fridge for about an hour and then we're ready to fry.
Okay, I took them out of the fridge. Now it is time to fry. Look, they have solidified. Just one.
2.
Three arancini.
We already fried a couple of them.
Yeah, they turned out quite good.
Beautiful color. Beautiful.
This one's good. This one's, in my opinion,
Perfect. So what's the technique to fry
Okay, so
the
the technique
What do you
is-
do?
So right now you leave them, okay? You let the bottom and stuff like that to cook. And once they cook, you get a nice color. Then you flip them. So let me check. I'm gonna flip this one.
Very easy. They flip by them, so they're very stable.
Yeah, it's almost like cooking meatballs basically.
Just a big version of meatballs, bigger.
Yeah.
I love the
this one.
color.
Look how big this one is.
Yeah, this one is gonna be good. And these are good, cold, warm, hot, any type. Warm up in the microwave. I mean, everything goes. So let's fry them all, and then we can maybe we should test one. What do you think?
Of course.
Of course. Why not?
Okay, so I finished frying all of my arancini, and now look at this
look
one.
At these look beautiful.
I'm-
No, hold on. I wanna check just the color. Very fragrant, very nice. Okay, you pick the small one because
See.
just to show. Okay, open it up. Let's see.
This one is with the prosciutto.
Oh, still hot. Prosciutto. Okay, tell me you're making me hungry. I think I'm gonna turn off the camera and
Alright.
devour that. Okay, go for.
It's a bit hot, I suppose.
It's hot. Hold that.
It is, but
I love to see the mozzarella melting. It's too hot.
see what?
Eatable.
Bye. No. This is amazing.
It's still hot. Maybe we should like after Friday. Maybe we should wait a little bit. But these are good cold. As I said
These are
before.
amazing, yeah. These are really, really good.
Do you test everything? How is the salt? How is
Salt,
everything?
good.
The mozzarella, can you see?
See.
Maybe you didn't put a lot of mozzarella.
Yeah, I should have probably put more mozzarella.
But
But
that's the small one.
where's the small? You see, this is a small one.
Okay.
These are big.
Okay. So give another bite and then we can call it a day. That's very...
That's 10 out of 10.
Yeah, it makes me hungry just to look at it. Alright, so another episode done.
I know.
Let's say hi to the friends, ciao to the friends, goodbye.
Ciao. Yeah, I know it's been a very long time, but you know.
You promised the last video, you said...
Arancini. I did say arancini. What did I say?
Yeah.
What did I say?
You say arancini, orancine as they
Exactly,
call it.
exactly.
Yeah, exactly that. I love it because you keep the promise.
Exactly. And
And
here,
what's the next?
the next, I don't know.
I don't know. We'll think about it.
I can't keep a promise kind of because like
Yeah, we don't know. This
don't
was,
know
I think, is on the plan. So we'll
this one
think
was on the
about it.
plan. See.
Very good. Okay, I think we're gonna have one or two more.
Yeah,
for
so
dinner.
anyway, alla prossima. I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure you smash the subscribe button, like button, and notification bell, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao.
Ciao.